made a ventral gun pack with 4 .303-inch Browning machine guns to fit to the Blenheim 1F, F for fighter. And that aircraft started its service with number 25 Squadron in December 1938. And this, the world's sole airworthy Blenheim, has been completed now in this short-nosed form of a Mark I and its fighter configuration. Following the start of the war, the next day, aircraft from 2 squadrons stationed at Warbird in Suffolk who won the Victoria Cross for gallantry. Did so as a result of restored to flight following the loss of the British Aerial Museum's previous Blenheim restoration from 1987 until 1993. It then had to be re-restored after a subsequent mishap to this airframe. That second restoration between 2003 and 2014. It's re-emerged as number 23 Squadron Blenheim fighter. Incidentally, just as a day fighter that the Blenheim performed in that role, they were switched increasingly to the night fighter role during 1940. Some of them fitted with the Airborne Intercept Mark III radar, and they achieved their first success in that form on the 2nd and 3rd of July 1940 on Chelsea Bill against the Dornier GO 17. Blenheim night fighters was the marvellous Bull Defiant of the RAF Museum.